Hi, I'm Penny, and this is our first ever video of the Brookwood Bunch.
Hi, I'm Maverick and I'm 7 years old. And we're going to do lots of fun things. Yay!
Alright, today we're making slime. We have all the ingredients. We have our white glue, activator. We each have our own bottle of shaving cream to make it fluffy. And we have our colors, and we already know what colors we're going to use, right? I'm going to do green and pink for Wicked, since that's a really popular movie right now since it's about to come out. Remember,
And
what colors
we're
are you
going to
doing?
use spatulas to stir it.
Remember, what colors are you going to use?
I'm going to use red and blue for Spider-Man.
Alright, let's get started. I'm going to start with this is heavy. Okay. It's going so slow. Oh gosh. Come on. Okay, guess that's good for now. Woo! Oh. I can't get off the table. Okay. Lift it up. Put it upside down. Don't. Squeeze while you do it.
That's enough.
Okay, now we need an activator. Not too much at a time though, so we don't over-activate it and make it super rippy. That's good for now. Okay, don't do too much. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. That's good. That's good. Okay, now you're gonna mix it with your utensil. I feel like I should start using my hands. Oh, never mind. We'll be right back. We're back and we made our slime. Slime is so good. Now we're going to use our shaving cream to make it fluffier. Okay, let's go.
How do you do that?
You just push it right on top.
I can't.
That's good for now. I guess you got the slime. On top of the shaving cream. And the slime should probably soak up. Oh, now my slime feels weird. It'll feel good in a minute.
Mix it all up.
We'll be right back. Alright, we're back and we have our slime. We only have half of our slime since we're doing two colors. We're gonna mix them together. I'm doing pink and green, and we have these oversized gloves on, and Maverick can tell you why.
Because the food coloring will dye your hair.
Yeah, so make sure to wear gloves or use a utensil so it doesn't get on your hands or dye yourself and you don't dye yourself. And make sure not to spill any of your food coloring or your parents are going to kill you. So let's get started. I'm going to do pink first.
I'm going to do red.
I don't need that much because those are really strong. It will grow. There we go. That's good for now. I'm gonna mix. I have my pink slime. No. Whoa, Wicked. I told you kind of. We have our finished first half of the slime. I got my pink slime.
I got my red slime.
And on to the next one, which is green and
And blue.
and let's go.
Mine is called royal blue.
Mine's called fruit green. Let's see. I can't do it. Let's go.
There's one more eye.
Just stretch it. Turns out we don't really need clothes for this. We're going way right for this. Gloves. Be right back.
Be back.
Alright, we're back and we have our finished products. I love my slime, but we have our themes, okay? There's Spider-Man,
Red.
and there's Wicked. And you might want to remember to put it in a bag so you know where to store it if you don't have containers. I gotta put mine in a bag. So I gotta give it a bag.
Flip.
I think
Red. Flip.
Wicked
red.
is probably
Red,
my
red, red.
favorite now. And I got my gallon storage bags from Reese's. Yeah. Okay. Ugh. Can you hold it open for me? This is hard. Okay. It's cute. It's wicked. If you go to Target, you can buy some slime. Not our slime, but slime. So, if you want to make slime, make it slime. It's amazing. Well, we gotta go now. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Bye.